Upload 53 here. As much as it wants to do this review, because it's out of battery. Talk about the figure. The walking Mechagodzilla. Yeah, really didn't want to do this review, but since it bears the name of Godzilla, I felt I had to. This thing actually walks. Here's a demonstration. See what I mean? It's out of battery. Let's try the other button. Oh my god! Fucking walk! Nah, it's just gonna keep roaring. Oh no, you made Garuda fall. Close Godzilla music. Yeah. Shut up! No more for you. If he was in battery, he like shoots his guns. Really has no articulation but his arms. Oh, I forgot. I created a laser for him. I made it for exactly this Godzilla toy. Just because his mouth opens and closes. It's not the soul of Chogocan, but there's a little guy inside his stomach. Oh my gosh, shut up. I want to get that little guy out of here. He's not even an inch tall. He's like 6 centimeters tall. Put all his accessories aside. Garuda, yay. Alright, the detail on this figure, not so great. But he does have wheels, so you can roll him. It's like if you were making a movie. You're just like... It's like a car. And I'm going to stop doing size comparisons because it's going to get too overcrowded with the figures I've already reviewed. I'm going to end this review quick. Detail, not so good. Rate it 4 out of 10. I think it's pretty cool when it's not out of battery. Accessories are pretty cool. My homemade one. Little guy that hooks inside of him. But I'm going to end this video quick. This is a toy review. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I didn't. Nothing against Godzilla, but this is probably my least favorite figure in my collection, in my opinion. This could be your favorite figure in my collection, but so far, not so much to me. Bye-bye.